Hey Politis fam, welcome. How you guys doing? How you doing? I hope you say you're good. But anyways, thank you for watching my video. And before we start today, oh my gosh, I can't wait. I can't wait to show you guys what I got from the liquidation.com. Okay, I'll show you. I got the box from there. I win the pack. And I can't wait to show you guys. But before we start our video today, please comment below, subscribe, and like our video. Alright? So, let's... So I went on the liquidation.com. I went on there and because I saw a lot of videos. I seen a lot of videos that people, they go on the liquidation to pit on pallets. You know, they have a lot of different kind of items from Amazon return, from Target, from Walmart, you know, you name it, you know, they have it over there. So they have all these boxes, like probably like they will say like 45 or 65 boxes with different kind of item in there, like electronic item, clothes items, shoes, or anything like kitchen stuff, you know, living room stuff, you know, bedding stuff, all that kind of stuff. So I didn't bet on the pallet because, you know, it's my first time and I want to start small. So I bet on just one box. I bet for one box, you know. So I went there and you know, I searched on electronic stuff, and I see all these different kind of stuff. And then I seen watches. It's the sport LED watches. And I see they're all different kind of, I started scrolling up, and I saw these watches. They call unisex sport LED watches, right? And I see there's one box, there's 45 watches in there. Okay, 45 watches. And MSRP, this is the meaning that, you know, the worth of the money for all the watches, for all 45 watches, is $1,755. Wow, for all those 45 watches. And I was like, wow. And then I see the betting starting is $100, and I was the only one there. I was like, okay, I don't see anybody. So mind you, I was on the liquidation around, like, I went on there around like 4 o'clock in the morning, right? 4 o'clock in the morning. And then there's a person already bet. They just put down $100. I was like, okay. And then I click on it. So this guy, the bet is gonna be over the next day at 9 o'clock in the morning. And this is and I was on it at 4 o'clock, you know, 4 o'clock in the morning, the day before the bet, you know, ending. And I was like, oh no, there was the next day, but I was in the morning on that same day will end the bet. So this is like 4 o'clock in the morning, and this guy he bet on it $100 around like what 6, 7 at night, and this is 4 o'clock, and there's nobody else betting but him. And I was like, and I look at the time, and it's like, if the time it ends, the bet is ending around like 9 o'clock in the morning. And this guy, he bet around like what, 6 o'clock at night. And I'm on it around 4 o'clock. And I know this guy's sleeping. I know he knocked out. So I put down 110. And then it's funny, I woke up and I received an email that said that I won on a bet. So I know it. This guy is knocked out. He probably woke up and the bet is closed already, and I won. Guess what? I won the pack the bid. I won the bid. And check it out. Boom! We got the boxes. 45 watches. It worth $1,755 for 45 watches in here. And I won 110. I spent $110 for something that worth $1,755. Wow. So anyways, well, let's open this box. Let's open this. The moment of truth. Oh. Can't wait, huh? I know you can't wait to see it. Oh, wow. Wow. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at all these watches. What am I going to do with this? He's like, oh wow. There's a red collar. Look. Man. It's a lot. This is a lot. I have a feeling this is more than 45 watches. It's more than 45. They have black color too. Ooh, look at that. I feel like we won the lotto. Don't you feel me? Do you feel me? Wow, look at all this, bro. Look at all these watches. Ooh. Nice. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at all this. Look at all this. Whoa. Oh. Don't get too excited. I dropped the watch. I'm sorry. Wow, look at that. Nice. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. For 110. Whoo! Oh, and this work. Wow. You see that? It works. Bam. It works. It works. It works. Wow. Nice. Can you believe that? Can we believe that I won? Man. So I'm gonna sell this on my eBay store. I'm probably gonna sell it for 20-30 bucks each, or $25 box. You know, $25 for each watch. So I'm gonna make good money, like good. Yeah. Wow. Anyways. Wow, obviously, all that box is full with watch. Damn. Wow. Oh, excuse me. Whew. There you go. We got 45 watches. Sell it. I'm going to resell it on eBay, on my eBay store. $25. Yeah, I'll put $25 each. So, anyways. Oh, so today I'm supposed to receive my mystery box from Amazon. I'm supposed to have 2. So my first box is supposed to come in today. So if that box come in today, guess what? You and me, we're gonna see what's inside the box today. And I'll upload the video, and please like, comment below, and subscribe. Alright? But anyways, thank you for watching my video. This is Politest Fan. And oh yeah, and then keep watching my video, because I'm gonna have a giveaway. So you might lucky. So keep watching my video. So when I'm gonna give out my giveaway. So yeah. Yes, we won. We all win. We all win today. All my politest fans, thank you. Thank you for supporting me. Please support my video, and like it, alright? So thank you very much. Have a good day. I'll see you next time.